Hi, today I'll be showing you the process of capturing the leads on your smartphone using the ShowUp app. Before we start, you first have to download the app on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. As I'm currently on the Google phone or the Android phone, I'll open the Play Store and search for ShowUp. So once I have searched for ShowUp, you'll see the list of results appearing below. You can choose ShowUp Lead Management app to download. As I've currently downloaded it, I'll just click on open. After you launch the app, you'll first be prompted with the login screen. If you already have the credentials, you can log in, or you can click on register. Once you click on register, we will collect your details like name, email, password, and business code. The business code will be a unique code which will be assigned to your company. For your case, we will call it as MathWorks. Now let's go ahead and fill up the registration form. As I mentioned before, the business code will be MathWorks. It can be either all lowercase or all uppercase. Once you have completed all the details, confirm them once again and click on register. Now that you have registered your account, you can go ahead and log in. After you are successfully logged in, you'll be first prompted with an alert saying that you have not selected any event to see the data. Please go to profile and choose your event. So events are multiple conferences or the events which will be conducted under your business, which is MathWorks. In order to do that, you can click on OK and go to the profile section. From here, you can now choose the data between the events that you want. So from using the same app, you can either visit the MATLAB Expo 2022 and see the data of that, or visit the Mac event to see the data of that particular event. In this case, I'll choose the Mac event. Now that we have selected the event, we would suggest you to restart the application. The reason because there might be changes with the data when we switch between the events. So we always suggest to restart the app in order to reflect the new changes. I'll click on OK. I'll close the app and I'll launch it again. Now that you have successfully launched the app once again, you'll first, from the home screen, you'll first see the count of registered delegates, the attended delegates, and my leads. Right below that, you will also see the potential use data. You can also see the data and also filter them. You can click on particular potential use. It can be commercial, education, or government to see the data of that particular potential use. Let's say I click on commercial use. You will now see the list of all commercial use of that event. I can click on commercial again to reset the filter to see all the records. I can go back to home and filter any other data which I want to. For example, government. If I click on government, you will see the data of just the government and nothing else. Can go back to home, and right below that, you will next see the recently attended. Recently attended are the last 5 attendees who have present at the event. This data gets reflected every time you either launch the app or you can pull to refresh it. As we go down, you will see 4 tabs on the screen. The next one are the delegates. So the delegates are basically the list of all the attendees of that particular event. You can either search them or search by the name or company or email. Once you search the delegate, you can click on the delegate to go inside the details of that. From here, you can enter the notes or the lead type to create the lead. Even before that, you also have an opportunity to call the lead, send them an email, WhatsApp them, or create a reminder. Whenever you create a reminder, we'll be sending you the details of the reminder from the date that you have entered. You will get both push notification and an email for this. From the delegate details section, you can enter your notes or the comments to capture this lead. And you can create it. Once you have created it, we will also tag it in the delegate details so that you're aware about the delegate being present as your lead. You can also click on remove as a lead button to remove the delegate as your lead. Now let's go to the my lead section to see how our data reflects there. From the bottom navigation, you can now jump to the next tab, which is my leads. My leads are basically your list of leads which you have captured at the particular event. You can again filter your leads by the name, company name, or the email. You can click on the lead again to go modify any records if you wish to, or even remove them as your lead. Once you remove them, we'll just ask for your confirmation as this data cannot be reverted again. I'll go ahead and delete it. Once you have deleted this delegate as your lead, you will no longer see the tag. You will no longer see them in your lead section. You can also download the particular your leads in the format of CSV by clicking on the download button above. The next tab is the profile. When you click on profile, you will now be able to switch between the events as you wish. From the choose the event data, you can either choose the MATLAB Expo or the Mac event. Just make sure to restart the app whenever you change the event. Now let's go back to the home screen to see what more features we have. You can also get the details of the delegate by scanning the QR code present on the badge. In order to do that, you can click on the QR code icon, which is on the home screen, to scan the camera to get the details. It pretty much happened very fast. I'll repeat it again. Once you click on the QR code scanner, you'll be first prompted with the camera to scan the QR code. You can also turn on the flash in case if it's too dark and scan the delegate. Once you have scanned the badge, the details will be populated on the screen for you to review. You can capture the notes or the lead type to create this as a lead quickly. We have now reviewed all the features available in the app. I hope you like them. Thank you.